ENDO-CVT. Silence is here. CVT, or compressor valve tank, integrates the essential components of an air management package into one silent, self-contained unit. No more buzzing compressors, no more complicated wiring, no more moisture in the tank, and no more difficult mounting. ENDO-CVT does it all, simply and elegantly. Let's start with the lungs, the compressor unit itself. Suspended within the tank is a WABCO twin-piston compressor similar to those found on high-end OEM vehicles. This compressor fills the tank at twice the speed of the current aftermarket standard compressor with completely dry air. The dry air is possible due to the built-in desiccant air dryer that combats all moisture and eliminates the threat of frozen valves and lines. Not only is CVT fast and dry, it's smart too. The digital intelligence found in ENDO-CVT comes from AccuAir's compressor-mounted controller. This technology monitors tank pressure, compressor head temperature, and ambient moisture levels to optimize compressor operation, provide maximum duty cycle, and regenerate the built-in desiccant air dryer. It also replaces the need for an external compressor relay and includes a soft start and soft stop feature to yield unnoticeable compressor operation. Near silent operation is possible due to a patent-pending primary and secondary isolation system that softly suspends the compressor inside the tank body. This feature eliminates unwanted compressor vibrations from being transmitted into the vehicle's body or chassis and protects the compressor when traveling over large bumps on the road or off it. The dry air is sent to each air spring through the valve-integrated end caps, the same end caps found in the ENDO-VT tank. All of this technology takes up no more than half a gallon of capacity inside the tank. CVT operates at 200 psi, yielding more stored energy, making the capacity loss unnoticeable to the performance of the tank. However, you can always add more capacity to the system by hooking up auxiliary tanks or even an extra ENDO-CT. ENDO-CT boasts all the same compressor internals as ENDO-CVT, the only difference being the valveless end caps. ENDO-CT is designed for applications where built-in valves aren't necessary, such as being used in tandem with ENDO-CVT or mounted to an off-road vehicle for onboard air solutions. All ENDO-T and ENDO-VT tanks can easily be upgraded to ENDO-CVT. The extruded core allows anyone to safely install the CVT internals into their ENDO tank body without any fabrication or modifications. Simply remove the tank end caps, slide the compressor insert into the tank on the rails, connect the plumbing and wiring, reinstall the caps, and that's it. Although the install is straightforward, you can choose to send your tank into AccuAir for a full CVT upgrade install and factory test for free. ENDO by AccuAir, the modular air tank that is still redefining air suspension by way of actual innovation.